Hi guys, welcome to today's class. So in the last class, we looked at the usefulness of science in agriculture. Now, remember I mentioned that agriculture depends on science. Well, I said it was a commensalism relationship, so I'm mentioning that again. Where I said the advancements in agriculture is majorly dependent on knowledge of science. And we mentioned that part of this usefulness is increased world food production, and I said by virtue of this, food insecurity as a world problem has been greatly solved. We talked about improved pest control, dairy development, and improved soil management and preservation practice. And that's when we mentioned the use of fertilizers, we mentioned the planting of leguminous plants, and we mentioned the yearly crop rotation. Now we'll be looking at usefulness of science in technology, more like science and tech. Now, when you hear science, it's always in line with, you always hear technology, because technology in the literal sense just means application of scientific knowledge. Now, so we see technology as science discoveries or science products of science. That's technology. So now technology has been applied to the development of goods as well as services. So let's see, what does technology mean? I would say technology is just simply defined as the study, the design, and the application of machines and techniques for production and manufacturing purposes. So that's more like the goal of technology. It's simply saying how can we apply this knowledge of science, how can we apply it for through creation of machines as well as development of techniques which can be utilized in production and manufacturing purposes. So technology is so synonymous to science. Now, in terms of biology, how has technology help? For instance, there's this field of technology which we call biotechnology. Now, what does biotechnology mean? Biotechnology simply means the industrial application of practical biological processes, or the practical application of biological process in industrial production. Now, currently we have the COVID-19 pandemic, and we have here talks about vaccines, we need vaccines. I hope you're planning on getting yours. Yeah, that's very important. Now, you'll be hearing about vaccines. Vaccines are simply results of biotechnology. So in vaccines, what we simply apply is what is a biological process called the antigen-antibody reaction. What we are trying to do is that we are just introducing antibodies, right? We're introducing antibodies into the system so as to help you effectively fight the COVID-19 pandemic. So we introduce antigens. Now when we introduce antigens, your body recognizes these antigens and your body will be able to produce antibodies against these antigens. So when you are doing production of vaccine, you are just simply applying that biological process for the production of vaccine. That is, I need to introduce this antigen, because we know when these antigens are introduced into your system naturally recognizes these antigens as a foreign invader. He has not seen it before, so it is not normal. It is a foreigner. So your system automatically produces antibodies against this antigen, and that's when you have the antigen-antibody reaction. So, for instance, when you now get infected with the COVID-19 virus, your body will be able to fight against it. We are able to do that because we know the knowledge of science, and we are able to do that because we know the application of this biological process, and that is what we call technology. That's the usefulness of science in technology, particularly in a field called biotechnology. Another one is the production of insulin for diabetic patients. Insulin is an hormone that helps to regulate blood sugar level. Now, there are situations where the insulin level in the body drops, or there are situations where cells that are supposed to be sensitive to insulin are no longer sensitive to insulin. So you need an exogenous. Exogenous means from outside the body, an exogenous supply of insulin. So production of insulin under the field of biotechnology is under usefulness of science in technology. So technology and science, should I say they are twins, or should I just say they are both sides of the same coin? And advancement in technology is as a result of continuous application of scientific principle. Without science, there will not be technology. So that's basically it. And you must know that technology is essential for comfort of man, because the truth is the goal of our existence is for us to make it comfortable. The reason why you are studying now is because you want to become, probably you want to become a zoologist, or probably you want to specialize in the field of science. And what's the goal? You want to make your life comfortable. Now, that is just what technology helps you to do. For instance, the home appliances which you have in your homes, which help you to carry out some certain house chores, like your dishwashing machine, they are simply applications of scientific principle. And you agree with me that the dishwasher you have in your house has made your life comfortable. So that is the goal of applying science through technology. So technology is application of science. And what's the goal of technology? To make life comfortable. That's all, guys. So I'll be seeing you in the next video.